May I get in, sir?
Yes, please come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Great. This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System, taking place on Sunday, 20th of October at Cambridgeshire. The center number is BD 132133. The candidate is TAHMID Hossain, and the candidate number is 076612. The examiner is SHAFIQ, and the examiner number is 433816. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is SHAFIQ. Should you please tell me your full name?
My full name is TAHMID HOSSAIN.
And what should I call you?
You may call me Tahmid.
Alright, Tahmid. Could I see your identification, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Right, thank you.
You are most welcome.
Right, in the first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
I do study and I have successfully secured getting GPA of 5 in the HEC exam from BCIC College.
Lovely. Do you enjoy your subject?
Yes, I enjoy a lot as I am from background of science.
Very fantastic. Let's talk about flowers.
Okay, no problem.
Have you ever given anybody flowers?
Yes, I have given flowers to people on several occasions. It is a thoughtful gesture to express love, appreciation, or to celebrate special moments.
Good. Is it popular to give flowers to people in your country?
Yes, giving flowers is quite popular in my country as it is considered a common and traditional way to convey emotions, occasions, celebrate occasions, and or as a way to apologize.
Great. On what special occasions do people give flowers in your country?
People in my country give flowers on various special occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, Valentine's Day, or express sympathy during difficult times.
Very fantastic. What kinds of flowers would you like to receive as a present?
I would be delightful to receive any kind of flowers as a present. However, personally, I have fondness for roses and lilies due to their beauty and fragrance.
Let's move on to talk about exercise.
Okay.
Do you do much exercise?
Yes, I try to incorporate regular exercise into my daily routine. It helps me to stay fit, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and relieve stress.
Great. Do you more exercise now than when you were a child?
Yes, I do more exercise now compared to when I was a child. As I have grown older and I have become more aware of the importance of physical activity and have consciously made an effort to prioritize the regular exercise in my routine.
Great. Do people in your country do a lot of exercise?
Engaging in regular exercise is becoming more popular in my country as people are being more health conscious. However, it varies among individuals and some people still encouragement to incorporate regular exercise into their daily life.
Very fantastic. What do you think is the best exercise to keep fit?
There are different types of exercise and the best one to keep fit depends of individual's preference and goal. However, activities like cycling, walking, swimming and aerobic exercise are considered effective for improving cardiovascular fitness and overall health.
Have the types of exercise people like to do changed since you were a child?
There has been a noticeable shift in the types of exercise people like to prefer since I was a child. However, with the advancement of technology, people like to prefer gym workouts, yogas, and HIIT, which were not popular when I was a child.
Great. All right. Now let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. And in this part of the speaking test, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. All right. So you have 1 minute to plan what you are going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here's your paper, pencil, and this is your topic. So I'd like you to describe a teacher who has influenced you in your education. All right, so you can
Yes, sir.
start making notes. All right, your time's up. Okay, now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when time's up. All right, Jim, could you please start speaking now?
Well, I am going to talk about a mentor of mine who has significantly inspired me throughout my academic journey. I had the pleasure of meeting Mr. SHAFIQ sir, a teacher who had a significant influence on my education. Our paths crossed at Cambridgeshire, an English language research training and IELTS preparation center. Mr. SHAFIQ sir taught several subjects including phonetics, speaking English, writing English and IELTS. What made him special about his exceptional qualifications? He was not only a British accent trainer and a linguist, but also he had the certifications such as Cambridge, CELTA, Delta, TEO, TESOL and Trained Trainer. Additionally, he had achieved all his degrees from reputable university in UK. The reason why this person had such a great influence on me because of the remarkable achievement he had achieved with his students. Thanks to his guidance, hundreds of students, including myself, have been able to achieve their desired IELTS score ranging from 7 to 9 out of 9. His teaching expertise and method have been greatly affected in helping students learning language proficiency. Moreover, he has gone for extra mile by assisting students in obtaining visas from UK, USA, Australia and Canada. Apart from his qualification and success rate, Mr. SHAFIQ sir is a very well-spoken and truthful person. He has an impressive command in English language and communicates his ideas with clarity. The reason why this person had a great influence on me is because of the positive impact he had on my language proficiency and my overall English journey. And his honesty and morality is the reason why I was greatly influenced by him. He is a person of moral high character. His expertise and guidance creating a conducive learning environment that allows me to reach my heights and develop my new skills.
Lovely. Your time's up. Now, you've been telling me about a teacher who has influenced you in your education. Now, in the final 5 minutes of this test, I'd like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this.
Okay.
So, let's explore the importance of teaching and its different areas.
Okay.
What qualities should a teacher possesses to have a positive influence on students?
A teacher should possess qualities such as passion, patience, knowledge, and the ability to motivate and inspire a student.
Lovely. How can our teacher inspire and motivate students to excel in their studies?
A teacher can inspire and motivate a student by creating an engaging and interactive environment, setting higher expectations, providing constructive feedback, and showing genuine interest in their learning process.
Lovely. In what ways can a teacher impact a student's personal development aside from academics?
Besides academics, a teacher can impact a student's personal development by fostering a positive mindset, teaching values and life skills, promoting critical thinking and problem-solving ability, and being a supportive mentor.
What role does a teacher play in shaping a student's career path?
A teacher can play a crucial role in shaping a student's career path by providing guidance, sharing industry insight, and offering career advice and opportunities.
Lovely. So, how important is the teacher-student relationship in the learning process?
The teacher-student relationship is vital in the learning process as it creates a supportive and trusting environment. It allows a student to feel comfortable for asking questions, seeking help, and taking risks in their learning journey.
Can technology replace the role of a teacher in the education?
While technology can enhance the learning experience, but it cannot fully replace the role of a teacher. A teacher provides guidance, personalized interaction, and emotional support, which are essential in holistic education and human interaction.
Lovely. Thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test.
Okay, thank you, sir.